Huzur, the question is when Ahmadiyyat will prevail, inshallah, then what will be the relation of Khilafat and Imarat and politics?
Amarat is under Khilafat.
Yeah.
And politics is something beyond.
I mean,
Khalifa will not be interested in politics at all. Politics will be a country-wise affair. When there is Khilafat, it will not be for one country alone. So how can you expect every country to follow the same head? So Khilafat is religious and politics will be free. But where there are most Ahmadiyyas, naturally they will follow the Ahmadiyya rules and regulations. That's a different proposition.